Photo Supreme is widely recognized for its powerful cataloging and organizing features. Among its most versatile tools are portfolios, a flexible way to group, curate, and present your images without disturbing your actual folder structure. Yet many users only scratch the surface of what portfolios can do. Let's dive into what they are, why you should use them, and some practical examples to get the most out of them. A portfolio is a top-level container designed to help you group images logically. Each portfolio can contain collections, and each collection can be broken down into sub-collections. Sub-collections can themselves contain further sub-collections, giving you a hierarchy as deep as your project requires. A good real-world analogy is a binder with tab dividers. The binder itself is the portfolio. Inside it, you insert tabbed sections for different topics. These are the collections. Within each section, you can add sub-tabs. These are the sub-collections. You can keep nesting them as much as you want. Just like in a binder, the same page, your photo, can appear under multiple tabs without needing to make a duplicate. Use portfolios to create logical grouping without file duplication. Keep your file system neat while still organizing images in countless different ways. You also gain the hierarchical flexibility. With unlimited nesting of collections and sub-collections, you can mirror even the most complex project structures. Another reason to use portfolios is the cross-purpose organization. The same photo can live in a client collection, a year-in-review collection, and a personal project, all without duplication. Portfolios make it simple to pull up curated sets of images for clients, competitions, or personal review. There are two types of collections inside portfolios: static and dynamic. Static collections are manually curated. You decide exactly which images belong. They're perfect for projects where you handpick photos like client deliverables, contests, or personal selections. Dynamic collections, sometimes called smart collections, are rule-based. They automatically populate with images that match specific criteria you define. Dynamic collections are incredibly useful when you want your portfolio to update itself as your catalog grows. For instance, you could create a portfolio called Top Work, containing a dynamic collection that automatically gathers all 5-star photos tagged with portfolio, no manual work required. You can even combine both types. Use a dynamic collection to gather candidates, then refine them manually into static sub-collections as you cull and edit. Here are some tips for using portfolios effectively. Before you start, think about how portfolios, collections, and sub-collections can mirror your real-world projects. Use labels and keywords for metadata searches, then build portfolios to refine and curate. Don't treat portfolios as permanent. Update them as your needs evolve. Combine static and dynamic. Use dynamic collections to gather and static ones to curate. Portfolios in Photo Supreme give you a structured yet flexible framework for organizing your images beyond folders and metadata. With portfolios containing both static and dynamic collections and infinitely nestable sub-collections, you can mirror the way you actually work, whether by client, theme, project, or creative process. And because they're so well suited for culling, auto-organization, and presentation, portfolios aren't just about structure. They're an active part of how you refine and showcase your photography. If you haven't explored portfolios yet, think of them as your digital binder of projects, part manual, part automatic, always organized. Start broad, refine with sub-collections, and watch how much easier it becomes to manage and present your work.